evaluate the integral of 1 over e to the x plus 1 dx from 0 to positive infinity. So I'll multiply first both numerator and denominator by e to the negative x. So we'll have integral from 0 to infinity of 1 times e to the negative x, that's e to the negative x, over e to the x plus 1 times e to the negative x. So you distribute e to the negative x times e to the x, that's e to the x plus negative x, which is x plus negative x, that's 0. E to the 0 is 1. Plus 1 times e to the negative x, e to the negative x dx. Then we apply u substitution. We let u be equal to 1 plus e to the negative x. Get the derivative of u du. Derivative of 1 plus e to the negative x, that's just negative e to the negative x dx. So what we need is just e to the negative x dx. We eliminate this negative sign here, coefficient of negative 1, by dividing both sides by negative 1. So we have du over negative 1 or negative du equals, canceling out the negative 1, positive e to the negative x dx. And we also need to get the new lower limit and upper limit. So if x is equal to 0, the original lower limit, you plug in the u substitution. We have u is equal to 1 plus e to the negative x, replace it with 0. So we have u is equal to 1 plus e to the 0 is 1. So we have u is equal to 1 plus 1 or 2. Next, if x is equal to infinity or if x approaches infinity, we substitute here u is equal to 1 plus e to the negative infinity. E to the negative infinity will approach 0, right? So therefore, we have u is equal to 1. So the new integral will be equal to the integral from the new lower limit 2 to the new upper limit 1 of e to the negative x dx, that's equal to negative du, and then over 1 plus e to the negative x, that's equal to u. So we can put this negative in front of the integral. So we'll have negative integral of du over u from 2 to 1. So we have negative integral of du over u, ln u, evaluated from 2 to 1. So we substitute first the upper limit 1 to u. So we'll have negative ln absolute value of 1. Then minus, substitute the lower limit 2 to u, negative ln of absolute value of 2. So therefore, we have negative ln absolute value of 1 is 1. The negative of negative, positive ln of absolute value of 2, 2. So we have negative ln of 1. Ln of 1 is 0. So we have 0 plus ln 2, or simply ln 2. So this is the answer.